Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can host CloudBot for free on Azure. Now, as a special note, this is only for students, so you're going to need an email that ends in .edu. GitHub right now has a special deal. You get free credits on Azure where you can host your CloudBot for free. It's important to note that you also get limited free credits, so it's not going to last forever. But I'm going to be walking you through the whole thing where you apply for the GitHub program all the way to launching the VM on Azure. This is not a video on how you can set up CloudBot, only on how to get a VM so then you can set it up. But with that being said, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this GitHub link, which I will post in the description. This is where you will be applying for the student program. But before you even do that, you're going to have to set up two things. The first thing is you're going to go to your GitHub account. You're going to go under billing and licensing and under payment information. Once you're in payment information, the only thing you have to do is input your address. You just have to put in your address and your name. That's it. No credit card required. Next, you're going to have to enable two-factor authentication. In my case, I use the Microsoft app, which you download on your phone, and then you have to verify it that way. And the last prerequisite is you have to go to emails and add your student email account. You're going to get sent an email where you can then verify this account. Okay, so now that we have those prerequisites done, we can officially apply for the application. The application process is super easy and done within 5 minutes. All you have to do is click your student, select your school, and enter your school email address. Once you do that, they're going to ask for verification that you're part of that institution. The verification that I used was I uploaded a picture of my student ID. You can do the same thing if you have one. And then boom, within 5 minutes, I was automatically approved. Okay, once you have that, you're going to go to the second link, which will be in the description, on how you can access the Azure developer resources. You're going to want to sign in using the GitHub email or the student email that you used. Once you do that, we're going to go to virtual machines. Under virtual machine, you're going to want to create virtual machine. Again, I want to remind you guys, you have a free limited amount of credits. So it's important that we stay conservative when selecting our VM. Okay, I'm just keeping the Azure for Students, as you can see right here. All right, and now we can give it a name. Select the region that you're closest to. In my case, it's East US. You can skip this, you can skip that. The image, in the image, we want to use the 22.04 version. Okay, and here we have this. We can keep it at the standard size. Make sure you guys save the username because you're going to use that to log in later. Also, make sure you save the .pem file because we're also going to need that to log in. You can keep everything the same. Going to want to hit on next. Instead of using the premium SSD, we're going to want to use standard. Again, because we're trying to minimize the amount of resources we are using. Next. All of this you can leave the same. Just go to review and create now. This is going to take a while it runs the final validation. Okay, now once you have this, all you have to do is hit create and it's going to create it for you. Okay, so now that we have created that, we want to go to the virtual machine that we just created. In my case, I'm going to be using it through the interface that they provide. Here we're going to hit on connect, going to hit the second option. We're going to go to authentication type, and here we're going to SSH private key from local file. You're going to put in the username that you were provided. Going to select the file, go to my file, and use the key that they gave me. Once I do that, I'm going to connect, and it's going to open in a new browser. And this is how you get it done. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can actually connect and set up CloudBot. If you have any questions or any complications, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.